Hello everyone, I am going to explain some questions of exercise 17.5 of class 10. So we will start from the first question. As you can see, the question is, a student scored marks 46% in English, 67% in maths, 53% in Hindi, 72% in history and 58% in economics. As compared to other subject, weightage given to maths is double and English is thrice. Then find weightage mean marks of student. So here student, this exercise belongs from weightage mean. So we have to give weightage to all subjects as mentioned in the question. So we have to understand from here very carefully. As compared to other subject, weightage given to maths is double. So the weightage of maths is double as compared to the other subject, and that of English is thrice. Means English weightage is thrice. So in this we will see first how many subjects we have. Here we have English subject, math subject and Hindi subject and history subject and economics. So Hindi, history and economics, they are not described anything. So you just see the table how we gave the weightage. Hindi, history and economics, we gave the weightage as 1, 1, 1, and because the weightage of maths is double, that's why maths weightage is 2 and weightage of English is thrice as compared to the other subject, that's why English weightage is 3. So since we are doing the weightage mean question, so table format is like this. First column is of subject, you just write down from the question how many subjects you have, the marks, percentage marks obtained, that is your data, xi, and in this wi will come. Wi is for the weightage. So weightage we have to give as I described to you. Now in weightage mean, here in last column, instead of fi xi, here xi wi used to come, like in exercise 17.2 and 17.3 which we had done already. In that, to find out the simple mean, here xi fi we used to write down, but since we are solving for the weightage mean, that's why here xi multiplied by the weightage, means data multiplied by the weightage. So we will multiply 46 by 3, that will give you 138. In the same way, multiply the corresponding elements of both the columns and write down the data. Then finally, as we had done in the mean, we have to find out the total of frequency. Instead of frequency, here wi will come. So frequencies total is 8, and instead of fi xi, here the sigma wi xi, so that is 455. So here first we will describe that why we gave this weightage. So just see, the weightage of math subject is 2 and English subject is 3. Why? Because since weightage of maths is double and English thrice than other subject, so weightage of other subject is 1 each. So first we wrote that why we gave this weightage from the question. Whatever information we got, from that we had given the weightage. Now weightage mean formula is sigma xi wi upon sigma wi. In that just put the value from the table. Sigma xi wi is 455 and wi sigma total is 8. Divide it, so that will give you the weightage mean is 56.875. Now first I am teaching question number 3rd, then we will move to the question number 2nd of the same exercise, that is 17.5 weightage mean exercise. So here the question 3rd is, marks obtained by student in mathematics in 3 monthly tests are 85, 60 and 75 respectively. So what these are? These are the marks obtained by student in 3 tests, and in annual exam he got 95 marks. So we have 4 exams here. This 95 is for the annual exam and these 3 marks are for the test. Now weightage of monthly test are same, whereas weightage of annual exam is double. So the weightage of monthly exams are same, but as compared to the monthly exam, the weightage of annual exam is double. Find mean weightage of marks in mathematics. So this question is just like question number 1st, that's why in continuously we are doing this. So here in the first column exams will come. Exams means what kind of exams we have. So here the first test, second test, third test, these are simple tests. And now annual exam. So marks obtained in first test, marks obtained in second test, marks obtained in third test, and marks obtained in annual exam. So here it is clearly written that the weightage of annual exam is double. That's why weightage of annual exam just keep 2 and the weightage of remaining exam just keep 1, 1, 1. So as we had done, first we will just see how we had wrote here. The weightage of annual exam is double and weightage of monthly test are same. That's why here we wrote here 1, 1, 1 and here 2. Here students you can write first test, second test, third test also. Now last column, as we had done in the remaining exercise, here we used to do product of Fi Xi. So here instead of Fi we are working with Wi, that is weightage. So Xi multiplied by Wi will come here. So 85 into 1, 85, then 60 into 1, 60. Like this is multiplied right down in this column. Add them, you will get here total, that is summation of Wi Xi is 410 and summation of weightage is 5. So weightage mean formula is this. In this is put the value, from here 410 and from here 5, divide them. So we got weightage mean as 82. Now we will solve question number 2. Question 2 is not clearly visible. You can see in your books the question properly. Two candidates A and B scored following marks in different subjects for entrance examination in business school whose weightage are given. So here the first column is, it means this table is already given in the question. Here these are the subjects and the marks of, there are two candidates, candidate A and candidate B. So candidate A's marks are these and candidate B's marks are these and weightage are same. Now we have to find out the weightage mean of A as well as weightage mean of B. So here we will separate them like this. First we will find out for candidate A and then we will find out for candidate B. So here first this table is for candidate A. So for candidate A subjects are these and marks are 80, 88, 85 and 89 and weightage is these. So only these columns will come here. Just see here subjects and marks are, these are the marks here and weightage just pick from here. Avoid this. This will be useful when we calculate for the candidate B. So this table is only for candidate A. So for candidate A we will find out Wixi. So just multiply 80 by 1. These weightages are already given in the question, so we not appointed it. It is already available in the question. So multiply the corresponding elements of both the columns and write here. Then find out their summation. So you will get here 692 and summation of Wi is 8. So weightage mean is summation of Xi Wi upon Wi, that is 692 upon 8. So 86.5. So weightage mean marks of A, that is candidate A is 86.5 marks. Now for B, marks for B means average marks, weightage marks for B we are doing. Now for B, just see the table given in the question. These are the subjects and these are the marks and weightage is same. That's why only this column and this column and this column will write down in the table. I hope it's clear to you. That is the subject, marks and weightage and then Xi Wi. This is from the question itself, this column, and this weightage is also from question. Now this Xi Wi you have to multiply the corresponding elements of both the columns. 76 multiplied by 1 is 76, then 90 multiplied by 3 is 270, then multiply them, add them. So the summation is going to be 698 and here summation of weightage is 8. Now weightage mean for B is 698 from the table and upon 8. So this is the formula, in that we put the value. When we divided we got this. So weightage mean marks of B is 87.25. So we have to find out which candidate is more capable. So B is more capable than A because B's weightage marks is more as compared to A. Just we'll see what is average mean marks of A is 86.5, whereas candidate B's marks are 87.25. So candidate B is more capable because his marks is more. Thank you.